Hey, excuse me, what do you do for work in Las Vegas?
I'm the executive chef of Scotch 80 here at the Palms.
You're an executive chef. Crazy question. Can I come to work with you today?
Sure, after you.
In the kitchen we go.
We are a premier steakhouse, meaning we carry up to 14 different kinds of steak.
I mean, look at this.
We cut our own long bones here.
How long are these steaks usually dry aging for?
At least 40 days in here. For instance, like this guy's been here since November.
So when you come in, what do you usually start with?
Identify if changes needs to be made, adjust seasoning, and then right at 5 o'clock we get cracking on service.
Here we got some VIPs like Chef said, so take care and we got this. We got a ticket.
I'll take all the seasoning that you want to throw at it.
Man, this is hot in here.
There you go. Oh my gosh, look at that. Nice color.
Kind of like that size, right?
Yep.
Perfect. Order up. So how did you get into cooking, and did you know you always wanted to be a chef?
I was born and raised in Manila, Philippines. It's like an all-day thing to eat with my family on Sundays. 4 generations, all under one roof every Sunday. Never misses. It's not even about being a chef. I just wanted to be a cook so I can help and be hospitable to guests. I also want them to kind of step into my world and show them what I like to present to people when they're dining at my house. I do enjoy my time being in the kitchen every chance I get. Kitchen's everything. It's always been, for me at least, a place of refuge. We're very lucky here in Vegas that there's so many great restaurants that if ever you're ready to press forward and explore, you're able to do so.